What's going on, y'all? It's Nate Matthews from NeverDenyMe.com, and today I'm going to run you through the process of how it is when you shop with me for all your embroidery needs. Let's check it out. Start by going to the website, NeverDenyMe.com, and look at my quick list of options that I can do for you. We have digitizing, beanies, hats, full shirts, left chest logo shirts, crew necks, and some more in the future. Right now, go ahead and click Embroidery Digitizing. Right here on the page, we do have a real-life customer review. Go ahead and check that out if you want to. You can also read how it works. Go ahead and give me your information right there. Upload your image, make your payment, and click Submit. This right here is the image I received on the website, and this is what I did when I digitized it. I'm either going to stitch it out on my mini machine, or we can go on the big boy right here and get to stitch it. Here it is, a preview on the computer. Go ahead and get my stabilizer, my magnetic hoop, and my fabric, and throw it on the machine. Once the stitch out begins, it's going to start coming along, and we'll go ahead and continue the process. I got it stitching real slow for the best accuracy, and so far it's coming out great. The text is nice and legible, even though it is very small text. And this is what it's looking like so far. And this is what it looks like when it's all complete. So let's go ahead and cut it out. And once we're all done, this is what it looks like all complete, all packaged up, ready to go. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Make sure you shop with me at NeverDenyMe.com.